I done you there. Yes, family, welcome to the video. MJ Visions. The sun is out, it's been raining the last few days. It is August the 13th. And today we are kind of doing the usual stuff really. Like, we're gonna go out and do a bit of promo for the legacy rope. Me, like a dodo, forgot the mask. We were supposed to shoot the mask today. And actually, to be fair, it's probably a good idea I didn't have the mask because it's kind of hot. And I would have probably died of exhaustion or whatever. But anyway, got the legacy rope, going to be pushing that a little bit more for the next few months. And then I'm off to Whitechapel, got a cool little collab with an ex-amateur boxer. I'll introduce her when she gets on camera, but sit back, relax as usual. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yo, so I wanted to say big up to everyone who give us some good top feedback for last week's new series. Yeah, in the next few weeks we've got obviously the pre-orders going out, so we're going to be super busy, but we get back onto this series. My aim is to get at least one done every two and a half months. Yeah man, we're looking forward to how this works out. We're going to have all walks of life. Today's collab is like I said, an ex-amateur boxer. She hit me up and yeah, we're going to do a little bit of skipping with her. But first of all, we're going to do this shoot, get some promo for the legacy rope, and we're just going to document it, keep it raw as we always do. Always windy here, man. Back on the 2-bag flex. My bag is so heavy today. Got a couple of ropes for this girl that you're about to meet later on, and then also her PR agent who's going to be coming along as well. Then got my camera bag. So right now we are in a place called the Barbican. We're going to be using this spot to do a bit of legacy promo. As you all know, with the legacy guys, I've probably pushed this rope about 50% in comparison to the money rope. And what I'm going to be doing for the next few months is, obviously we've got the icon rope, but the legacy rope I'm going to really be pushing it, because I mean the feedback that I get on a day-to-day basis on this rope, like, it's just phenomenal. And I don't even know why I don't even push this rope so much. So we're going to be going for it. We're going to make this the most legendary heavy rope out there and make it on par with the speed rope, make it like one of the most popular weighted jump ropes around. So that is what we're doing here. You can see that we have this kind of curvature in the handles. You see this bit here? This sort of allows you to hold it correctly, man. So I'm going to show you today. I might even record a video on YouTube today. There we go, guys. First shot. Bit of spin-rooney. Boss walk shot. Yeah, nice. Just going to jump on this ledge right now. Get up on here and try and get a little boss shot in the skies. Look at this. Spider-Man shot. So Nathan fixing up the lens right now, starting to get some, got security looking at us. How's the back feeling, man? Bro. I'll get you a chiropractor, man. We should get some crowdfunding for you.
Oh, legit, like
crowdfunding new back. Dead. Just finished up with the skipping clips. How'd it go?
It's good, man. It's good. You got tired.
It's alright. I'm knackered. I got smacked up a bit as well. But hopefully this edit should be done. And if it is, I'm going to show it to you right now. In 3, 2, 1.
Yeah. You ready? Hey. Let's go. Bet. Yo, once again I'm back around. Real shit back in style. Haters reconcile. I'm so black and proud. First class tickets now. Feet all in the aisle. Everybody looking down. Everybody get red when you drown, huh? Looking me up. I'm putting it down, you picking it up. Checking the models, they want us to go to college just so we can be stuck. Go to school to make a living, or teach yourself to make a fortune. Common sense, welcome to the apocalypse. Bitch, I'm one of the horsemen.
Just been chopped up, it's all red. So when I'm doing like that's a scarf on the legacy rope there. Then I'm getting scraped. When I'm doing crossovers at speed, I'm getting caught. Oh. Right guys, 1:15, we're now leaving Barbican area. Bruv, it's such a nice day today. Bacon, I'm like wearing hoodie.
Starving.
I'm hungry as well, I need to go toilet. The toilet, all the time. I know, drank all the water though. I told you guys, man, when you do these kind of quick shoots, there's little 20-second boss clips. It takes it out of you, man. Legacy promo shoots are probably the worst ones to do.
Pretty well.
Like, proper workout, man.
You might get some calves.
I need to go toilet first. I'm dying to go. Oh, it's busy. Hey, what's happening? Lovely to meet you. How you doing, Rishi? Okay.
Literally, I had to meditate.
It's lovely here.
My name is Naza Katine. So I use neuroscience and fitness, created Fitness Reborn for females to learn how to fall in love with themselves and taking them away from the mainstream idea of what your body's supposed to look like, and it's creating a mind shape.
Mind share, you're gonna say, yeah?
Unshakable mindset.
Unshakable mindset. Mind share. Mind shakeable. We can unshakable mindset. I love that though. That's really cool. We've been talking on the camera. I've been talking on the camera saying that you were an ex-amateur boxer. Is that right?
Yeah.
You used to do a lot of boxing, right?
I used to be an amateur boxer for Peacock Gym in East London. I boxed for like 8 years, and it was all about looking good. And then I realized, oh, nobody teaches people about how to be super strong up here. And then everything switched. So I had an eating disorder growing up in the Bangladeshi community. We never speak about it. And then I also experienced something called depression, the darkness of all darkness. But there's a blessing and beauty in our darkness when we know how to pull ourselves out of it. And we are owners of our own destiny, I say.
Love that. All right, cool. So you're empowering a lot of people out there.
I hope
and
so.
Today we're gonna flip this around right here because it's got some light. Today. I'm gonna like push this camera as far as I can. No, today we're just gonna keep it raw, right? I want to show her obviously a couple of cool moves, see what she's about. Stash cupboard. Oh no! You don't see what's inside there.
Yeah, go
She's got the boxing gloves.
We've got bananas.
I love that.
We've got affirmation cards.
Okay.
Pick a card, Rush.
All right, let's have a look. Are these yours?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it gonna be powerful?
There we go.
What consume? I love this. I think I've put this on my Instagram before. What consumes your mind controls your life. 100%.
Quite like that one. Choose to be happy today. I'll do this.
Smile.
I'll do this.
That's all we need from you right now. Look at this, man. She's not messing around, guys. With a full-on kit. You know, guess how long I've had these trainers for?
About.
So I guess.
Is this a tricky question?
No, just like, do they look fresh to you? Like, as in.
No, they don't look fresh.
4 years I had them for.
Oh,
yeah.
wow, they look amazing.
Her acting is terrible. They did the boom with me from the beginning, from the first ever jump.
Oh.
So I find
you've got to think about
so it's like it's really difficult for me to find another pair of trainers. And the other colour, I've got a black pair of these as well.
They're even worse. Like,
Never for this.
no, we need to go to like Adidas or Nike and get.
Not Adidas. No, sorry. I know you're wearing Adidas right now, but I can never wear Adidas.
Yay. I've seen somebody in the gym wear this, you know.
You're kidding me.
No lie. A
Serious?
t-shirt. They run We Fly.
What colour? Grey or black?
No, with black. A black t-shirt.
Yeah, that's my t-shirt, man.
No.
Sit down.
So I already know about you before I even knew you.
How old do you think, man? Seriously.
You're my age, 35, 36.
35, 36. The last two people we've met, Nathan, what have they said? They said they thought I was 24.
24, 25, yeah.
They thought Nathan was older than me.
No! I've seen some of your stuff where you go so smoothly into your transitions.
Yeah.
So from here,
That's nice. Oh.
see?
Oh, so you want to go from like
yeah.
Alright, so like probably just come out of a double under. So always go like slower. So here, and we just go really nice and slow into a side swing. So all my transitions always come off with a side swing. So any move that I go into,
Yeah.
whenever I'm skipping, it'll be always a side swing first, and then that's why it looks smoother. So let's just practice doing that. Right, people. Did a little bit of training in that little zone, and we realised it's a little bit tight, a little bit squeezed. So Naz has got a gym around the corner. She's got a link in the gym who's going to allow us to come in and film. And apparently this gym's got a boxing ring, and yeah, it could be quite sick. So we're heading over there now. I think it's only a short walk away, but yeah, good vibes so far. She's
I used to live in Shoreditch.
she's got a good spirit, man. She's got a good heart. What kind of clients do you normally have? Like, what kind of background and what are they up to? And
Females who want to change, people who want to change their life,
yeah,
who want to live again.
check this place, guys. But I'm gonna let you lead the way
Okay.
before people like look at me all funny.
Then they're gonna say you're not allowed.
Yeah, they'd be like, yeah, go away.
We can just go straight up.
We good, Joe? Cheers. Yo, check this out, guys. Don't know if you can hear me. It's kind of loud in here, but gym looks mad. Proper iron weight gym downstairs, and upstairs it's got like a full boxing ring setup. So this is gonna be quite sick. I don't know how. It's gonna be too loud, probably to like get some talking kind of audio stuff here, but we're gonna get a boss edit. So I'm gonna leave it up to Nathan. And what we're gonna do is just take it through some moves, and yeah, hopefully Nathan will capture it all with some fire. We've got someone new here, guys.
Hi!
This is another Naz.
Another Naz.
Another Naz. This is, the other Naz is PR and good friend. And she was one that actually messaged me to meet.
Link up.
To do the link up, yeah. Okay, so you were doing the skipping and you found me.
Found you, and I thought, and me and my husband were like hooked. We started watching you, and even my husband was like, this guy is sick. And then we were like, and even the kids, and we actually showed our kids as well, and we were all watching it. And then I thought, you know what, I'm going to actually just message this guy and see if he can do something with Nazia. Because she loves skipping, so
love that.
Here we are.
So this Naz has hooked this up today. Right, so from the beginning, there you go. So we're just showing her the first bit, right? So if you're learning your crossovers, guys, always start from the back here. There you go. So once you've done that one, let the rope come round, and then you just open up your hand. Go on. Yes! There you go!
Oh, wow.
You get a high five. You get a high five.
2 crossovers in a row.
The customary high five.
Understand. I've never been able to do that.
There you go.
You see?
Oh my god!
Whoa!
Yeah.
There you go.
Mad.
See?
This is why we do what we do, guys. This is why we do what we do. This is a good vlog, right?
Yeah.
This
This is very different.
Look at we got a whole crew here, man. Keep breathing. Nice. Good. So you go really fast, right?
Yeah.
So what I'm going to teach you is hold this camera actually.
How to pace it.
Increase the height of a jump, but go slower with the hands, right? That will make you go for longer. Yeah.
Right.
So you're just going to go. See how smooth they are?
Yeah.
So at the moment you're like this, yeah?
Yeah.
You're just getting out of breath. Just get a bit of hang time, slow down the hands, and just get everything done in the wrist. Just a little flick of the wrist.
Right, so it's a flick.
Yeah.
Should we try it?
Let's try it.
Okay. So you go from here?
Yep. Good. Much better.
Okay.
Good. Here we go. Keep that breathing. Keep that breathing. Good. Now come out. It's good.
That's a big difference.
That was bad.
That's a huge difference.
That's the way to learn it. And then when you get better, then you can speed it up and stuff. That was good, man. Anyone watching this who's like, they're really super interested in what you do, where's the best place they can find you? I've got your Instagram stuff already. Yeah. And on top of that, why should they connect with you, or why should they follow you as well?
Okay, why? The reason why. Okay,
in short sentence.
I always tell people, because I didn't have the help that I needed when I was growing up, I created the program. Going through an eating disorder, being a boxer, being in an Asian family, overcoming depression, fitness saved my life and everything. Everybody needs to learn how to train. It's a survival mechanism out there. Yep. So come and find me on www.naziacartoon.com. It's a great website.
Say bye to YouTube. Give me a little high five. I'll give a high five.
Yay!
Give a high five to everyone. 4:45, and we're back here at the New Road Hotel. So big up to New Road Hotel for giving us free drinks, and to Nazia as well for hooking us up. But file transfer time, so we're gonna do that. And like I said, I'm gonna keep the camera rolling because I'm not sure how much of the vlog. I don't know where we're at, but I already know it's already up and down and choppy like it always is. I just remember I haven't even eaten anything today, bro. Okay, crisps. Crisps. I've got this yogurt in my bag, which is gonna be baking hot now. I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna take out this yogurt.
Guys, don't judge, man, but this is my desktop. This is terrible, man. Look, I need to sort this out, man.
So please use all available doors and move right down the other side of the car. Move right